What problem is the American Franchise Act trying to solve, and why is federal legislation the answer?
The goal of the American Franchise Act is to bring stability to the joint employer standard under two federal acts: the National Labor Relations Act, that's enforced by the National Labor Relations Board, and the Fair Labor Standards Act, that's enforced by the Department of Labor. Everyone's familiar with the volatility that has happened for over a decade, at least with respect to the joint employer standard under the National Labor Relations Act, because that's been volleying since the Browning-Ferris decision that was issued in 2015. And so we've had this contracting and expanding of the joint employer standard from a standard that, until the Browning-Ferris decision, was based on an exercise of direct and immediate control over essential terms and conditions of employment. After Browning-Ferris, then we had an expanded standard of not only direct control, but indirect or reserved control of a more broadly defined essential terms and conditions of employment. Since then, we've seen that standard shift several more times. What that's done in franchising is not give franchisors or franchisees any ability to predict what kind of support franchisors can provide and franchisees can expect related to the operation of the franchise business, and then what types of controls are just off limits.